friends! Welcome back to Mindfulness with Friends at Rainbow Kitties. I have something super special for us today. We're going on a mindful adventure. This is not just any walk, it's a magical one. We're going to use our senses, our ears, our skin, and even our feet to explore the world around us in a whole new way. Are you ready? First, let's get our bodies and minds ready. Stand up tall. Take a deep breath in through your nose like you're smelling a yummy cookie. And slowly breathe out like you're blowing out birthday candles. Before we take our first step, let's set an intention. That means choosing how we want to feel on this walk. Do you want to feel calm? Happy? Grateful? Maybe all three? Gently place your hand over your heart. And whisper your intention to yourself. Feel your heartbeat. Your heart is always there for you, just like nature. All right, my mindful explorers, let's begin. Let's start by feeling the ground beneath us. Lift one foot up. Now step forward. Now the other foot. Keep walking slowly. As we walk, let's pay close attention to our feet. Imagine your feet are giving the earth a gentle hug with every step. Now, try walking even slower. What do your feet feel? Is the ground soft, like walking on a fluffy cloud? Or maybe it's firm, like a strong rock beneath you. Or is it bumpy, like tiny pebbles tickling your toes? Or is it pokey, like the crunchy grass? Here is a quick challenge. Try walking like a sneaky fox, super quiet. Now, stomp like a big, happy elephant. Great job! Now, let's use our ears for the next part of our adventure. Listening to nature's secret sounds. Did you know nature is always talking to us? But we have to listen closely. Let's play a little game. Close your eyes for a moment. Listen carefully. What do you hear? Maybe the leaves are rustling. A bird singing a happy song just for you. Or a dog barking far away, saying hello. And here comes the big game for today. Tiny listening challenge. Can you find 3 different sounds? Point to where they are coming from. If you are doing this practice with your friends or family, check which sounds they heard and where they are pointing. Maybe you all heard the same sound or totally different ones. Wasn't that a lot of fun? Awesome! Now, let's feel the air around us. Stretch out your arms like a soaring eagle. Feel the air touching your skin. What does it feel like? Is it cool, like an ice pop on a hot day? Or warm, like a cozy blanket? Maybe a gentle breeze is giving you butterfly kisses on your cheeks. And here comes another fun challenge your way. Wave your hands slowly through the air. Feel the invisible wind moving between your fingers. Can you dance with the wind? Let's just dance softly or wave our body with the wind. I hope you had fun dancing with the wind. Now, let's play a special game, Tiny Wonders. Let's find something small but special in nature. Look around carefully. What tiny wonder can you spot? It could be a tiny flower peeking up from the grass, a little bug crawling on a leaf, a cloud that has a funny shape. When you find your tiny wonder, whisper thank you to nature. Gratitude makes everything more magical. Thank you, nature. Before we finish, let's take one last deep breath together. Breathe in all the calm, happiness, and fresh air. And let it out with a big smile. Now, think of one thing you're grateful for right now. It could be your family, this beautiful day, or even your favorite snack waiting at home. Take a moment to smile and whisper, thank you. You did it! You just completed a mindful walk. Whenever you want to feel calm, happy, or connected, just step outside and take a mindful walk again. Keep stepping into mindfulness, one step at a time. I'll see you next time for another adventure. Bye for now, my mindful explorers.
Please like, share and subscribe to our stories. Thank you.